Hi everyone! Welcome to Artsonia's After School Art Club. Today we have a fun art project from Tricia Fuglestad, an art teacher from Illinois. Hope you enjoy the video and don't forget to have your artwork uploaded to your Artsonia gallery.
Hi, I'm Tricia Fuglestad. Let's animate some monsters. Now these monsters were made by first graders. We took a digital picture of them and we pull them into the brushes app. Use 2 fingers, pinch it, get it a good size so it fills the canvas. Then save it to the camera roll, and that's frame number 1. Open up the layers, use the grabbers on the right hand side, scoot the monster to the bottom, tap the top one to make it active. Let's make frame 2. By changing the size of the iris, you're going to need an opaque paintbrush, probably size 25, and click and hold on the color you want to match, then just start painting. I went around the eye to make it seem smaller. Then I got the color of the skin and covered up 1/3 of the mouth and made it appear smaller. You're done with frame 2. Add it to the camera roll. Go to layers, click the plus, add a new layer, and make that one active. Start frame 3 by making the iris even smaller and the mouth only half open. You might want to work around some teeth. You're done with frame 3, so save it to the camera roll. New active layer. Now go ahead and finish up frame 4. Get rid of the iris completely, just leave a pupil, and finish up that mouth, just leave the bottom line. And save it to the camera roll. Now we're going to go to the easygif.com website and use the GIF maker to upload all 4 frames and get them in the right order first. The animation loops better if you copy frame 3 and 2 and add it to the end of your sequence. Click the animate button and see how your animation works. If you like it, click save. It'll go full screen, then click and hold and save it to the camera roll.